抓。
反正你可以切断的嘛。
对。
好，然后这里。
等一下。好。
指一下这儿。
这样。好。
Now I will introduce you our touch screen to show how this touch screen works. This is a home screen. Set screen, we will put the lens and the numbers. Control screen is a menu of to make the roll forming machine forward, reverse, and cut down and make punch. Parameters are the parameters of the machine. Side screen, you can set up the width and the height of the profile. Okay, that's all. Then first we will check the parameters. This screen, you have to set up the parameters according to our menu. After that, we will going to set up the size. You input here the size you will produce and press OK. Then you input the height of the profile separately. After that, you press Origin. Then the machine structure will go into the origin position. After that, when the machine is going to the origin, you press confirm. The structure will go into the position what you have set before. Then after the size, we will set up the length. Write the length you will produce. And here is the corresponding pieces, how many pieces you want to produce. Here are the holes position. Set up according to your drawing. After that, it's very important to press confirm. Then here, you should change the mode into automatic. And after that, you can press stop and start. Don't forget the pump. You will start production automatically. That's all. It's very simple to use. Of course, we will offer you an instruction manual in English to show how to use this touchscreen and with all very detailed explanations. And we will have a technical group team stay with you to give you more technical support.